Yes, I know you've got one. You have a dreaded junk drawer somewhere in your house, possibly many of them. Well, in today's video of Doing Simple Better, I'm going to show you how in just 15 minutes or less, you can stop the procrastination and create some momentum when it comes to organizing your home so that you can get a drawer that looks like this. What's up guys, Jen Rivas here, Doing Simple Better. So today I'm going to show you the quick tips that I've learned to get a drawer like this in just minutes. Let's get to it. So this is what I was working with, guys. It was a catch-all for everything in our kitchen, and every time I opened the drawer, it made me a little bit anxious and was driving me crazy. So I first started by taking everything out. And this is why it's so important that you start small with a very small project. Because if I were to say jump headfirst into doing my garage or maybe my full closet and I pulled everything out, it is so overwhelming. There's so much stuff that you end up stopping before you even start, and then you've just created more of a mess. So start small. Take everything out and put it in like piles, and then obviously you can clear out any trash or clutter that was in there that you don't even need or want anymore. And then you can see the result. Everything is just quickly piled in these small piles. From there, you want to move on to actually finding containers to use within your space. Containers, I think, are so important. It keeps things nice and neat, and everything kind of has its place. Now, if you don't have containers, this might be a 2-day project or maybe just 1 day, but it takes you a trip to the store. It's always a good idea to measure your containers, the length, the width, the depth, to find containers that will actually fit it. I happen to have these containers, I'll show you in just a second, from Target that were super inexpensive, and I love them because not only do they come in all different shapes and sizes, but they're kind of malleable. They're flexible, and they can kind of conform to your shape even if it's not an exact fit. But these were awesome. It fit like a glove, and it gave me all the different compartments that I needed. They were $2 per package at Target, and they range from either one individual piece for the larger ones up to 2, 3, or 4 sizes, depending on which ones you get. So now it is time to contain everything. I put everything back in containers where it made sense, correct sizes with like things, so it was easy to find next time I needed to open the drawer. And the last piece of the puzzle, guys, is you've got to put things back when you're done and make sure you're putting them back in the same place. So this was the before, and this is our after. I hope it inspired you to get out there and start a small project of your own. Remember, you are 15 minutes away from better health, habits, and home. Make sure to give this a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks.